Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we are going to learn how to order food at a restaurant. Let's get started. How many people? 幾多位啊？幾多位啊？ Two people, please. 兩位，唔該。兩位，唔該。Do you have an English menu? 有冇英文餐牌啊？有冇英文餐牌啊？ I want to have. 我想要。我想要。This one. 呢個。呢個。That one. 嗰個。嗰個。I want to have this one. 我想要呢個。我想要呢個。I want to have that one. 我想要嗰個。我想要嗰個。Now you can add the excuse me before you say I want to have. Excuse me, I want to have. 唔該，我想要。唔該，我想要。Excuse me, I want to have steamed shrimp dumplings. 唔該，我想要蝦餃。唔該，我想要蝦餃。Let's make it easier and shorter. Excuse me, to have. 唔該，要。唔該，要。Excuse me, to have pork and shrimp dumplings. 唔該，要燒賣。唔該，要燒賣。When you finish ordering, you can say, That's all. Thank you very much. 係咁多，唔該晒。係咁多，唔該晒。When it's time to get the bill, you say, 唔該，埋單。唔該，埋單。Can I pay with credit card? 可唔可以碌卡啊？可唔可以碌卡啊？ Well done today. Now you know how to order food at a restaurant in Cantonese. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe for more Cantonese lessons. See you next time. 下次見。